Alright, so I'm still steam cleaning the bottom of the hood. Just a minor update. For one, make sure you check your dilution rates on any degreaser, because if you don't, you're gonna lose a little bit of paint. Luckily, you know the rest of this car, so it doesn't really matter, but kind of dealing with a lot of, so I'll loosen this up. Classic yellow stuff that, let me see, used to protect paint. I don't know if we can, been using my fingernail to scrape up all the little excess along edges. So you can already see, did most of this area, a little bit in the center. It's gonna make it look a lot better. I'm gonna continue about an hour or so in, and this is only the beginning of the car. So, onward. I guess the whole thing was extremely dirty. I thought it was just grease along the bottom. But you seem to forget that the liner in here is like a golden tan color and not dark. So that's all dirt, oil, what have you. Kitty! Come here! You wanna be in the video? Come here. Come get in the video. Kitty wants, nah, she doesn't. Come here. Yeah, come here. Yeah. Go inside. Come on. Just some degreaser, pressure washer for about only 45 minutes. Crazy. Now we will work on the driver's rear. Also pretty nasty. See what we can do. Silver sprayed, black stuff not sprayed. I don't know what that is, and that is burnout rubber from my Salt City Euros how to remove tint video. So it's just rubberized undercoating now. So after about 3-4 hours of steam cleaning this hood, we are now going to replace this piece here. It's kind of weird, an inner piece of cardboard that you can kind of feel in here that these clips attach to. And this stuff is like this netted adhesive, double side. It's really strange. It doesn't seem to want to stick to the foam very well, but as you can see here, it stuck to itself. Hopefully the clips can hold it in pretty decently, but overall, aside from these little inlets here, everything looks pretty clean. It's almost gonna wrap up the hood until we get these guys. There's a little bit of rust on this one, so I gotta clean that up before I put on the new parts. Here we go. Going down. Do you want me to grab an edge of it?
I don't know, without the jack. This is hook up. Come over here to the wheel over there. Make sure you're pulling back.
Pulling the heat shield, there we go.
There you go. You're off.
Look at that. So just so everyone's up to date here, Chris Castaneda, what's your number on your Instagram?
95.
Chris Castaneda, born in 95, came over and helped us pull the subframe because we're going to go ahead and powder coat all the stuff, and stuff's pretty boring as far as taking the brakes off, so you didn't really need to see all that. But here we are, it's out. Hooray. It's been about a month and a half since I worked on it, and this is where we are now, so cool stuff. Say that again. Say it again.
I'm proud of myself.
Chris is proud.
Dude.
I'm proud too.
Look at this.
This is why I
Look how well balanced it is, just for like
This
guessing.
is why you're here.
Right? It's just like...
Look at that, even the rotation. This is like a machine. We could take this outside and spin it.
For real.
Who's that guy? I'm Josh. I quit. Let's quit. Let's just sell this thing.
Dude.
Part out.
Let's do it.
I'm tired of it.
It's already out.
I'm tired.
Sell your you just bought. Screw all the steam cleaning.
I just wanted to buy it to sell it for 75% of what I paid for everything. Back once again a couple weeks later with freshly coated parts. We got trailing arms, we got dust covers looking fucking fresh, so cool. Then we have our subframe